everyone, welcome to Harmony Stores. Today we want to tell you all you need to know about Harmony Stores.
So, can you tell us more about Harmony Stores?
Harmony Store is a retail store that deals in gadgets, stationeries and electronics. We are located in Lagos and Abuja.
Alright, so please mention to us some of the things you do in the three aspects you have mentioned regarding Harmony Stores operation.
On electronics, we have television, various brands, Samsung, Panasonic, Royal, etc. We have AC, air conditioner, we have a Samsung, Panasonic and Royal as well. Then we have water dispenser. And very soon, as time goes on, we'll be adding more electronics to our stock. Also, when it comes to gadgets, we have mobile phones of different models, different brands. We have laptops, we have desktops, we have tablets, printers, HP, Canon printers. We have Bluetooth speakers. At Harmony Stores, you can find content creating equipment, and also we have PlayStations, we have mobile phone accessories, and keyboards, mouse, laptop bags.
So, can you tell us what other additional services you render at Harmony Stores?
At Harmony Stores, we have an experienced in-house engineer that fixes laptop and printers, both hardware and software.
Please, do tell us where can we find any of the Harmony Stores, and also at what time can we walk into any of the Harmony Stores and make purchases?
Harmony Stores opens Monday to Saturday, 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. and on Sunday, 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. We are located in Abuja and Lagos, as said earlier. In Lagos, you can find Harmony Store at IKEJA City Mall, Groove Mall FESTAC, NOVARE Mall SANGOTEDO Lekki, and Purple Mall Maryland. And very soon we'll be opening a new store at Purple Mall Lekki Freedom Way. In Abuja, you can locate Harmony Store at the upper level JABI Lake Mall. At Harmony Stores, we sell quality gadgets and electronics, and all our gadgets are warranty covered. Come into Harmony Stores, Lagos and Abuja, and patronize us.